Hi, today we're going to be talking about seeds and how they grow out in the garden, and I have a little helper here to help me show you how seeds grow. What's one of the first things we need to do when we plant seeds out in the garden to help them grow? That's right, we need to put water on, and water is important to get that seed started. And the water is usually put on like in a watering can or with a hose sprinkler to get the soil moist, because the seed needs to get moist and wet, and it starts to swell up, and it gets a little bigger as it starts to swell. Inside of here is a baby plant. What's the first thing we see start to grow from the seed? It's not the leaves that everybody thinks, because that's what comes out of the soil first, but what comes out of the seed first are the roots. And the roots are in here, and down come the roots. And you can see there's little strings on there. Those are root hairs, and the root hairs help the plant take up even more water. They're like little straws, and so that's going to help that take up even more water. The baby plant inside is getting bigger and bigger, and just like when you grow and your clothes don't fit anymore, the seed coat doesn't fit anymore, and it comes off, and out comes the baby plant. His name is Herbie. Herbie has some eyes. Green plants don't really have eyes, but that's to tell you that he needs sunlight. That's why he's wearing sunglasses. It's important for Herbie to have sunshine, because that's what helps him grow. That's where he gets his energy, and he's eating the sunshine to help him grow. He's a green plant. He needs sunshine. Just like you need nutritious food to help you grow, Herbie needs sunshine. So Herbie's going to keep eating the sunshine and start to grow even more, and he's going to get more and more leaves on him and get bigger. He had his baby leaves, and now he gets his real leaves, and he starts to grow even more, and eventually he's going to get a flower bud. Inside that flower bud, yep, it's a flower. And there's a flower, nice bright red flower with a yellow center. And that's pretty and attractive because it's going to bring the honeybees to it. And the honeybees bring pollen that's needed for pollination. And pollination is needed so that we get seeds. After the flower goes away, we get a seed pod. And inside that seed pod is what? Seeds. So you're going to see the seeds, and there's more seeds in there. And so there's little seeds inside the seed pod, and inside each of those is another little Herbie. And that's what you're going to use for planting gardens next year. And out they will come just the same way that Herbie grew, with a root first, baby leaves and green plant, more leaves, a flower, and then a seed pod. And that's how seeds grow out in your garden.